My Starlink is excited about this. Today I'm going to be reviewing Stargear's Starlink Gen 3 only mount for your car. It's a magnetic mount, 440-pound heavy-duty magnet suction base. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Let's open this up, and then I'm going to install it on my car so we can see how well it works. All right, opening this up, easy instructions on how to do this. This is what you get right here. Let's put this together, and then we're going to get it on the car. In order to get your Starlink on the Stargear, you are going to have to take the kickstand off, and it shows in the picture just to pull it, but it's not quite that easy. So this will lift up, lift down. What you're going to see is right here is this little lip. So you're going to push this down. You're going to lift up slightly. It's going to feel like it might break. It takes a little bit of effort. Just lift up on this just a little bit, and then pull it down. So you can see kind of how hard that was. Now let's get to the stand. Now we're at the Stargear mount. So the first thing you have to do is take off these two screws in order to get the Starlink in there. You do get this special tool, remove these, and then we'll get to the next part. All right, so I got my Starlink. By the way, this nice, beautiful Stargear protector, really nice. Make sure you check that out. Another great piece that they have. So now we've got the back off. We're going to slide in the bracket. So once you've taken those screws out of here, this right here is going to slide into the unit. We're going to take this and slide it into place until it locks. All right, so we got that locked in place. You could do these first if you want. I did not. They're just going to screw on here. These are just the magnets. So get those screwed onto here. I just do about a quarter turn once it's tight. Again, you don't want to strip this. By the way, really solid piece of metal here, and it is dust proof and waterproof. So you're going to be safe while you're moving on the road. All right, and then finally, once you have this locked in, you're going to take these final little screws there with their tool, and we're going to just finally lock it in. Screws are in. These are tight. Everything's ready to go. Let's go see how this looks on the car. All right, here we go. I've got the Stargear right there. We're going to put it on the car now. This is a Palisade 2023. So if you see, we've got the sunroof here. I'm going to put it on here, and let's see how well it works. So I'm on at a little bit of angle. It's just because I'm trying to film this too. It is on there really tight. So it's not going to go anywhere. This is going to keep it aerodynamic and keep it from flying off. It's very tight. Now on here, not all 4 feet are perfectly on here. So you're going to want to make sure you have that. I could place it towards the back and just run a longer wire. That's not a big deal. But those magnets work really, really well, but it comes off if you need to. You can see I'm putting a lot of pressure. This ain't coming off. I think we got a winner here. All right, so that worked really well. It's definitely heavy duty magnets. What I'm curious is how easy is this to get pulled off of the unit. So remember, we're going to take off these 2 screws and then I'm going to pull it off. Let's see how hard it is. So same thing as with the taking off the stand. You're going to lift up on this bottom piece here and pull out. Let's see if it's easy or hard. Oh, wow. That was easier than the actual stand. You're back home. You want to use it. Slip this in. Now this one sits a little bit harder and pop in place. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.